This is Ellen Delap, Certified Professional Organizer, owner of ProfessionalOrganizer.com. I'm here to help you clear the clutter the ADHD friendly way. So when I talk with my clients and people about what do I do once I'm started organizing, I like to give them two little tricks that really help. Organizing is about categorizing. It's about putting things together. And that's often something people haven't thought about. Putting things together that have been distributed all over your house that you think, I don't know where to find such and such. Or at your office, where did I put such and such? So by categorizing, starting by putting like things together or all the same things together, it helps you know how many do I have, how am I using it, and where might I store it once I'm ready to keep it. The other thing I tell people is organizing is about editing. That's always the first step. So editing and decluttering are always what you should be thinking about before you start rearranging all your things. Gather things together, categorize first, then edit. How many do I need? When did I use this last? Do I love it and still do I use it? So if you get a little stuck with your decluttering, think about using the tournament method. It's either do I keep this or that. Keep your decision making very, very simple so it's easy for you to make a decision. And don't feel like you have to make every decision right away. It's okay to pause and put something to the side when you're not ready to make a decision about it. So think about categorizing and decluttering as you're starting your organizing. This is Certified Professional Organizer Ellen Delap, owner of ProfessionalOrganizer.com, helping you declutter the ADHD friendly way.